Okay, these are all the things that I'll be using for my wig. That's the glue. That's the lace front glue. You'll see where I use that at. That's a spandex cap, and then a cap for my hair. Then I have 2 packs of those bundles. I think it's Remy Brazilian. And then I have a lace front closure. It's not a full one, but that's it. And as you see, I put that little tan cap on. That's gonna be like my scalp. Then I put a shower cap. Then I put the spandex cap on top of it. You really don't need the tan one on right now. I just did that. And you'll see what I'm gonna use that shower cap for. Now you just take the glue, and I'm opening that up. And then I'm just going to put it on the outline of the closure. Now when you're doing this part, make sure it is even with that spandex cap, because then we will cut that cap out or that's underneath the closure, on the parts that's not glued underneath the closure. And now you just start placing your tracks. So just kind of pay attention. This is not a detailed tutorial because I haven't done these quick weave wigs in a long time. So I was just trying to get back in the habit of it. But you just place your tracks. Try to get it kind of low, but not too low, because when you're putting your wig on, you don't want to pull the tracks out. You want to have some of the spandex cap that you can pull on without pulling on your tracks. Now as you get closer, make sure you're getting all the way to the closure. Don't leave any spaces and stuff that the closure has to like cover up and stuff. Get as close as possible, but don't lay the tracks on top of the closure. Also make sure you don't leave too many gaps. You can leave a little bit of space in between the tracks, but not too much. Okay, after you get all those tracks on, I am going to take off the wig. And I am going to take this shower cap out. That helped me not glue these tracks to my actual hair. And then I cut the lace that's close to the hairline as possible. And now I'm placing the lace glue just to keep the wig from moving. And that's pretty much it. What I forgot to tell you guys to do, and I forgot to show it, is where you glued that closure at. Underneath, you need to cut that spandex cap out around the closure. Not actually around the inside of the closure. This is not a complete tutorial. I will give you another detailed tutorial. I haven't done this in a couple years, so I just wanted to make sure I can do it again. But if you want a detailed tutorial, comment down below. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thanks for watching.